Although my daughter makes fun of me because I do online shopping, I'm saving money, including on my laundry. I am using literally 2 teaspoons of laundry detergent because it's so concentrated yet eco-friendly and biodegradable versus a capful or half of that big old cap of regular detergent that I used to buy. This one has no chlorine, no phosphates, no formaldehyde, no ammonia, no toxic. See, they're just 2 teaspoons. Aunque mi hija se burla de mí por que compro online, yo ahorro con este detergente concentrado con solamente 2 cucharaditas pequeñas para lavar una tanda de ropa grande. Ahí es donde está el ahorro, créanme, mire qué poquitito. Es biodegradable también.